Okay, today is Tuesday the 11th. This is part 2 of the Pythagorean Theorem. And what we're doing is finding the missing leg. So if you recall, we have the formula. And it's okay, so right there. The formula: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And remember that c is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is c. So the side that we know here, if this is 17 and this one is 15 and this side we don't know, then 17 has to be where the C is. So the first thing you do whenever you know what the hypotenuse is you have to put it in the right spot. Now it doesn't matter where you put the rest of it. So the A can be in front or behind. The 15 could be the first number or the second number, but I'm going to do it this way. So we're looking for this side right here. We don't know what it is. Now I have to square it, 289, and then I have 225, and then I have that. Now then, my job is to get a squared by itself. If you remember in algebra, you have to get the letter by itself. So I have to subtract 225 from both sides, and happy days for me, it comes out, this cancels out. When I subtract, I get 64. A squared is 64. And remember, there's no way that this side can be 64 because the hypotenuse is the longest side. 17 is the longest side. So this can't be 64. But if I take the square root of both sides, I discover A is 8. That means this side over here is in fact 8. Let's do it again. We can make the triangle lay down a different way. So remember, it doesn't matter how the triangle is situated. If you know where the right angle is, then you automatically know where the hypotenuse is. And so once again, we're looking for a leg. We know the hypotenuse. We know the hypotenuse, so we have to be able to do this. This is a squared plus 24 squared equals 25 squared. Remember, the 25 has to be by itself because it's the hypotenuse. Whenever we work this out, back at a squared plus 576 equals 625. Once again, we have to subtract. So we are going to subtract this guy. And we want to move it over here. So that means I have to subtract. That would be a squared equals 49. Take the square root of both sides. A is 7. And that's it.